And hi everyone. Good evening.
Good
How?
evening.
Good evening. So, how are you all? Is everything is fine? Yeah. So today's topic is how to stop making excuses. Well, means this is our today's agenda, and how to means in daily life we do excuses. Means we give excuses for means many reasons are there in our we give excuses, and I will. Uh, I will share that about my life when I stopped making excuses. After that, what happened? Is anyone okay? Okay, let me start from my childhood. When I was in 10th class, I'm completely reluctant. I'm completely reluctant to my studies. And I secured 45% in class 10th. And I disappointed my father and my family. At that time, I decided after passing 10th, I when I joined 11th class, I decided that I will not repeat the same mistake what I have done earlier. So I studied really very hard, and to my surprise, on 12th I secured 67%, and this that was the first achievement in of my life. Why it happens? Because I had I stopped making excuses. So in our life, there are two things. One is excuse, second one is success. If you will give excuse, you can't achieve success. And if there is success, there can't be any excuse. So we will in next slides we will learn how to stop making excuses, and how can we implement in our daily life. So these things we have to learn today. So sir, can you have the next slide? Yeah. So the next slide is all about what are the excuses we are giving in our daily life. Like जैसे हर कोई बोलता है कि यार नहीं करना है यार, मतलब जैसे जैसे I want to learn English. Earlier I am from last 1.5 year I am trying to learn English because my communication skill is not up to the mark. So I always think that I am into software industry, and apart from IT industry, I do trading in stock market. And today or tomorrow, I have to move. To I can go to US because my company is planning to send me US, and in US nobody can understood English Hindi. And nobody can understand Hindi in US. So I thought that I have to learn English. I want to be a good communicator. So I means like this एक डेढ़ साल निकल गया ऐसे सोचते सोचते बस, because I am giving excuses. नहीं, I am in this now the project is quite critical, so I can't do spoken English, and I can't give time. Like this 1.5 year I means I left. Time passed, and under me some guy who I worked as a project lead in that organization, and under me there are 3 to 4 guys are there. if my communication skill will not that much good, then what they will think, what the guys under me, what they will think. So I started thinking, नहीं अभी बहुत हो गया भाई, अभी इंग्लिश सीखना है मेरे को. I want to learn English. I want to be a good communicator. So I started this journey, and now I am working on it. Now I am giving my 100% to learn English and to be a good communicator. So first of all, what type of excuses we are giving? I have noted down to accomplish to be a good communicator, or what type of excuses I'm giving, that now the project is critical, so I can't give time. So this type of excuses I'm giving from last 1.5 years. And this kind of things irritate me sometimes. It means it gives irritation to your mind that कब सीखेगा यार, मतलब कब सीखूंगा, मतलब खुद को मैं पूछ रहा था ऐसा. And you have to solve this. Means if you want to give excuses, then it can be your obstacle in future. It will remain as obstacle. So we have to always note down our excuses, what type of excuses are giving, and for that excuses we are not achieving our goal. So I am giving one example of my office colleague. Oh, in my office, one guy was there, Ankur. He was my good friend. He's my good friend. Actually, in my office, there was a rule that every day we have a meeting at 10:45. And that guy, means if anybody will be late to that meeting, he have to pay 100 rupees fine. So my friend Ankur was late to that meeting every day. Means there are 20 to 22 working days in a month. So almost 22 working days he was late to that meeting, and he pays 1200 rupees, 2200 rupees fine each month, 2000 to 2200 rupees fine each and every month. So मैंने उसे पूछा एक दिन, what means why you are getting late to that meeting? So he just smiled and replied that अरे नहीं यार, इतना ठंड होता है एनसीआर में, तो सुबह उठने में दिक्कत होता है. So I said him that okay, let's do one thing. When I woke up, I will give you a call. Woke up and get ready for office. Okay. So I had done this kind of things for 2 months, and after 2 months, uh, I saw that he had only paid 200 rupees fine. So how things changed? Earlier he was giving excuses that नहीं उठ पा रहा हूँ सुबह, it's the climate, मतलब नींद आ रही है, climate was not good. But I helped him by giving a call. When I woke up, I gave him a call that उठ जाओ, जल्दी जाना है office. So after that he felt happy, and I also felt happy that कुछ तो बदल गया आदमी. So like this, we have to always focus what type of excuses we are giving and how to eliminate those excuses. If you will not eliminate those excuses, it can be your obstacle. So like this, we have to note down what type of excuses we are giving on daily basis, on our daily life, and we have to address that excuse, that इसको अगर हम मिटा देते हैं तो कुछ हो सकता है क्या हमारे लिए अच्छा. Like this we have to think. Otherwise we can't accomplish the success we want. So this is all about that slide. Now this slide is all about check into your opportunities. Once you eliminate those excuses you are giving on your daily life, you will find opportunity. See, I work as a test engineer. I am a big data Hadoop test engineer. I always think that I will not bound myself into big data Hadoop testing. I will learn new technology so that I can get good hike or good promotion, or I can get H1B visa so that I can move abroad. So I always think like this. And apart from my job, I do trade in stock market also. And I always think that how to enhance my trading skill. Like many of my colleagues in my office, many of my colleagues making money from stock market each and every day. They are making money from, they are making two, means big amount of money from, if I will compare myself with them, they are making huge money each and every day. So why can't I always think like this. And I nowadays what I think, uh, I think that I always find what type of opportunities I will get in trading. And one more thing, I will, it is quite, means bitter truth. If you are joining any company, it can be IT organization or any private sector job you are doing. The thing is that company doesn't invest on you. They invest on your skills. See, I was in Bangalore in 2013, 2014, sorry, 2014. And I had seen that, means in each and every weekend, IT people, I mean, long queues are there in front of every software company, long queues are there. And people are giving interview. They want opportunities, new opportunities. Okay. If I'm working in an IT organization and they need that opportunity, what I am getting, they need that opportunity. They are giving interview for that. So if I will not put effort on my opportunities, what I will get, they will grab it. Because मेरे जैसे बहुत बंदे लोग बंदे मार्केट में हैं. So you have to always bit opportunist and grab the opportunity. Nobody can stop you. See, nowadays I am into big data Hadoop test engineer. And apart from that, I take classes from Udemy. I do course in every 6 months. I and nowadays I am doing performance testing. I'm learning performance testing. See, it is an add-on to my CV, and I will learn that. If I want to switch any company in future, I can switch there because I have two knowledge, two technical skill I have. I have one is big data testing, another one is performance testing, and I will get good hike. If I will work in this company, they also give me good package because I can handle multiple projects. So like this, we have to find opportunities in our where we work. We find opportunity, not to bound yourself into some specific work. So like this, that's all about that slide. Now in this slide, we will discuss what should be our approach. Once you found the opportunity, what should be your approach to that work? See, in my company, I'm giving one example. Under me, there are two guys who are working. One guy is Abhay Kumar, and second one is Rishabh. There are two guys. They are working under me. And Abhay always say me that, sir, I don't want to work as a test engineer. I want to do some coding type of thing. I'm little bit more interested into coding, not to testing. So I thought that so I have to give that type of work to Abhay, and so that he will feel happy, and उसका मन भी लगा रहेगा काम में. As a man, as a lead, as a project lead, I have to think like this. And once I give, and that another one guy is Rishabh. So I gave the same task to both of them. Now uh, it's a learnable skill. Means you have to focus on this part, that how these two guys react to the same code. So Abhay, means his approach was quite good. He has completed that. He had completed that work. But when I asked Rishabh, I have given the same work to Rishabh also. That when I asked Rishabh, is the code completed? Have you done this? So he replied me, sir, I tried, but due to some work in my family, I can't complete. I can't complete that. So I will do it by today EOD. So so he have given some kind of excuses to me, but Abhay completed that work. So in in this case, what we learned कि काम तो दोनों को दिया हमने, बट अभय ने करके दे दिया मेरे को काम, और ऋषभ ने बोला कि मेरा घर में कुछ काम था तो मैं नहीं कर पाया, मैं शाम तक कर दूंगा. सो आई डोंट वांट दैट काम तो हो ही जाता है, मतलब कोई भी कर लेगा. आई वांट टू सी दैट what is the approach of means what is the approach of both of them. किसमें स्किल मतलब लर्निंग का बहुत इच्छुक है, who is more interested to build that code. So when we get the opportunity, we always have the right approach, otherwise हम बीच में नहीं तो कहीं भटक जाएंगे.
अभी नहीं मैंने
And we always, if our approach would be good, means on the right path, that will impact our work, means that will give you the good impact. Otherwise you can't achieve that, means what you are thinking, you can't achieve that. So in this slide, what we learned, basically we learned our approach should be on the right path when we get the opportunities. Otherwise it can't be possible. So can you have the next slide? Yeah. So this slide is about personal and long-term goals. So means I think everyone has some goals in their life. If any person who doesn't have any goals in their life, they can't achieve anything. Means I had seen that some people are there, those who doesn't have any goals in their life. बस जिंदगी कट रही है उनकी. जिंदगी कटना नहीं चाहिए ऐसा. There have some means in जिंदगी में कुछ kick होना चाहिए. I always love to have that kick in my life. And I had what means I have thousands of goals in my life. मीन्स ये जिंदगी शॉर्ट पड़ जाएगी, कम पड़ जाएगी अगर उसको अचीव करना हो तो मेरे को. So I distributed all the goals like short-term goals and long-term goals. I distinguished this type of goals in my life. Like some are short-term goals and some are long-term goals. And my short-term goals, मेरे को within 2022 I need 50 to 60 lakhs because I have to invest somewhere. And my long-term goals are I want to be rich, I want to be a billionaire. I have my own farm, PMS farm, so that I can help people in their financial financially. So like this, we have to segregate like short-term goals and be responsible for your goal. In any situation, don't hassle out from your goals. See how I, like you have to always visualize. But what means you have to always visualize that how to achieve that goal. अगर ऐसा होगा तो क्या करेंगे? Means if someone is thinking that he want to get a job in Microsoft or Google, and for that he have that goal that he want to get a job in Microsoft, and what is his approach to getting that job, and what kind of how hard work he is putting into it to getting that job, for getting that job in that company. If he is putting the right effort, then he can get that job. First I have to focus on my communication skills. In Microsoft they ask aptitude related questions more, so I have to prepare myself on aptitude, reasoning, on coding, on basic C++ questions. So I have to prepare like this. In every situation, don't be afraid. If you will be afraid in this situation while putting effort, that you have a goal in your mind and you are putting the right effort, don't be afraid, do it. I can bet on you that you will definitely, you can achieve your goal. See how I am making money. See how I am achieving my goal. As I earlier said that I need 50-60 lakhs within 2 years, within 2022. So how I am working on it. See, apart from job, I do trading in stock market. So every day I have to look on the charts on every night while before hitting into the bed. Every day I watch what Nifty is doing, what Bank Nifty is doing, so that tomorrow morning I can trade. Other, if I will not watch, then I can trade. So I have to check one by one the candlesticks. Each and every chart I have to watch. Reliance ने क्या किया आज, Tech Mahindra ने क्या किया, TCS ने क्या किया आज, कितना ऊपर गया, कितना नीचे आया. I have to check on daily basis. So if I will not watch this kind of charts, then I can trade in that market. If I will trade, I will lose money, because शेयर मार्केट एक ऐसा जगह है जो बिजनेसमैन का ही बिजनेस करते हैं. वो ऐसा जगह है. And every day I think I can't put effort because due to some office work, because I work for US clients. So means like midnight calls, meetings were there with client. So sometimes I can't watch the charts of Nifty or Bank Nifty. So I thought that I will create algo that it will trade automatically on behalf of me. It will trade in live market. I find an opportunity that yes, algo trade. अगर मैं जैसे सोचता हूँ, what I am thinking, if that I will create that algo in Python. I learned Python for that, and Python is a very vast language. I know little bit of Python, so I had created one code and created that algo, and I put that algo in live market. And out of 9 trades, 3 trades went successful, 3 trades were in profit, and 6 trades were in loss. Like this it happens, but it is in testing phase. It hasn't means I have not completed that code, but I have to put some effort. See, algo can't be created in a month or two. It will take years, means 1 year or 1.5 years. I am working on that because my long-term goal was, because to make money, to need 50-60 lakhs within 2 years. So within 6 months, I will create that. and on behalf of me, I will do my office work, and algo trade will trade in stock market, in live market. And every day in every, see, there are 5 working trading days in a week, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday is off. So like that, it will trade on behalf of me there. So I thought that how my loss should be minimized and my profit should be maximized. I have to. I am now creating that type of algo. अगर लॉस होगा तो 2-3 हजार का हो, प्रॉफिट हो तो 20-30 हजार का हो. आई एम क्रिएटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ algo. So like this I can achieve my goal. अगर डेली 20-30 हजार बनता है तो क्या खराब है, apart from my job. So this is my goal. Means everybody have different goals in their life. So you have to always visualize, and you have to work on that, or you work on your goal, and you have to be accountable. And don't be afraid that I am in the right approach and I am the right path. Don't be afraid that you can't accomplish your goal. You can accomplish. Keep faith on you. Be positive. Keep positivity in your mind so that you can achieve your goal. So this slide is all about set priorities. What should be our priority? As I earlier said, I used my talent. I know Python. I studied Python to create that algo. I learned a new technology, and I used my talent to build that algo. And nowadays I'm also learning performance testing so that I can help in multiple projects in my office, because my company is also getting performance testing project and big data Hadoop project, so I can handle both the projects at a time. And if I will ask for good hike, they're bound to give me good hike, because I'm working in multiple projects. I'm helping multiple guys. I am training. I'm giving training like big data Hadoop training. I'm giving in my organization to freshers. If I will switch any company, then obviously I will get good hike there also. So you have to always invest on your talent, and don't waste your time on this like social media, like on Netflix, Hotstar, because I had seen that some of my colleagues, many of my colleagues, uh, on weekends they will watch a web series from morning 6 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. Means 12 hour wasted. So we have to, before achieving your goal, you have to set your priorities. भाई हमको करना क्या है कि to achieve that goal. If you will not set your priorities, you can't achieve that. Because uh, because what I want to, means my goal is to make money, to be billionaire. So my priority is to make money each and every day. Just when I'm sleeping, I'm making money there. So I thought that I will, after that algo, I will trade in commodity market. So commodity market is opening from 9 a.m. morning to 11:30 evening, night. So I have set my priorities. नहीं, दिन में भी पैसा बने, रात में भी पैसा बने. लॉस तो होगा, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं मतलब देयर इज नॉट, मींस स्टॉक मार्केट इज नॉट एवरीवन कप ऑफ टी. ऐसा नहीं कि लॉस नहीं होता है. आई आल्सो सफर्ड ह्यूज लॉसेस अर्लियर, but last week I made 7 lakhs in a day. So you have to take the risk, and you have to set in your mind that कितना बड़ा, how the big task I will get, I have to complete that. And if you will do this kind of thing, you will help yourself, and the experience you will get means it will be with you for your lifelong. You have to use your talent when you found any new opportunity. So like this, we have to set our priorities. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide? The next slide is about question your priorities. So in this slide, we will we'll learn that the priorities we have, what we have prepared for us, is it the right one? Or means, जैसे I am giving one example of my algo trading. What I earlier said, that I have prepared that algo, and I traded in live market 9 times. 3 times it gave me profit and 6 times losses. Means I have given a trial, like 3 weeks I have tried in live market, and on 9 trades, 3 times profit, 6 times losses. अगर कोई दूसरा बंदा होता तो बंद कर देता वो, क्योंकि 6 बार तो लॉस हो गया, 3 बार तो प्रॉफिट हो, इतना लॉस कौन झेलेगा? But I didn't quit. I have faith on my system that it gives 6 times losses because market behaves like that. My algo can handle that. So I have to prepare that kind of algo that it can handle that type of situation. जो 6 time loss हुआ ना, it also make in that day, on like that type of day, the algo will give me profit. I have to build that type of algo. And be realistic, be practical. And I'm giving one more example. When I joined English Times on the month of November. I think on the very first day when I had a demo class with Arindam sir, I asked Arindam sir, like it's a normal discussion. How are you? Where are you working? Like this, we had a discussion for 1 hour, and after that, I asked Arindam sir, uh, how will you rate me on this conversation? So sir gave me 6 out of 10. So I want, because I want to be a good communicator. So on that day, means Arindam sir and me discussed after that how, means what kind of mistakes I had done in that conversation. Like there is some grammar mistake, there is some tense mistakes I had done, and some pronunciation mistake I also done. So we broke into multiple pieces, that when we will start our class on the first month, we will learn preposition. On month 2, we will learn tense. On month 3, we will work on grammar, pronunciation. Like, and on, like, if you will broke the goals into multiple parts, multiple pieces, and once you achieve that small part, you will feel, you will get that satisfaction. नहीं यार, इतना achieve कर लिया और उतना भी achieve कर लूंगा. You can get that confidence on you. So like this, I'm also giving my heart, means 100% to learn English, to want to be a good communicator. And every day I found new opportunities, like trading में और कुछ ऐड कर सकता हूँ क्या, और कुछ पैसा बन सकता हूँ, क्योंकि हर everyone is making money. and money was, for me money was my obsession. जुनून है मेरे लिए पैसा कमाना, because I belongs to, in my childhood I was a BPL family, means we belongs to a BPL family, means below poverty line. So मेरे लिए पैसा बहुत कीमत मतलब मायने रखता है, because and someone said me that गरीब होके पैदा होना गलत बात नहीं है, अब गरीब होके मरना बहुत गलत बात होता है. So I always think that how to make money in the way of honesty. नहीं तो ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं बैंक में डाका डालूं और पैसा ले आऊं, ऐसे मेरा बैंक में भर दूं, ऐसा नहीं. In the way of honesty, I want to earn money. So like this, I have my long term goal was I want to be a billionaire. My small term goal, short term goal, that within 2 years I need 50-60 lakhs so that I can invest. I have to build one farmhouse. So if you if I'll achieve that in 2022, it will give me success, means satisfaction that हाँ ये तो achieve कर लिया और भी कर लूंगा वो. But to achieve that short term goal or long term goal, we have to ask our priorities that भाई ऐसा हम कर रहे हैं सही तो जा रहे हैं ना. We have to focus on our priorities and question our priorities like this. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide? Yeah, this is the main slide. I can say stop hesitating. हिचकिचाना नहीं है हमको. You have to analyze yourself. What you are doing, is it going on the right track or not? See, earlier I had done one workshop, and that workshop was a disaster. Means I am not confused because I can't. I hadn't given 100% of mine because fear was there. Why fear was there? Because I haven't practiced that much. So on that workshop, I'm not happy with that workshop. After that, I discussed with Arindam sir. मैंने क्या गलती किया? What I have done that what I had done that mistake? What are the mistakes I have doing repeatedly? And after that, I joined that club activity. Club activity was there at that time, but I can join because I am giving excuses, some kind of excuses each and every time. So every time where I want to talk with anyone, means there was a fear in me that मैं बात कर पाऊंगा या नहीं. But nowadays, for that club activity, I am not getting any kind of fear. Because I was giving excuses to myself. नहीं यार आज तो काम है, आज तो club activity join नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So for that reason, the fear was in me so that I can communicate properly with anyone. डर रहता था मन में, fear रहता था एक. So I always repeat the same mistakes. So you have to analyze yourself what the mistakes you are doing while communicating or while putting your efforts to any goals you want to achieve in your life. कुछ गलती तो नहीं कर रहे हो. You have to analyze yourself. अगर गलती कर रहे हो तो try to eliminate those mistakes. Mistake करना कोई गलत बात नहीं. That mistake can't be repetitive. If you are repeating the mistake, then you can't achieve what you are thinking in your mind. So don't be scared. Means if you will get failure, don't be scared. Means I have also faced, means like as I earlier said, I secured 45% in 10th, 67% on 12th. दैट वाज ए फेल्योर फॉर मी, बट उससे मैं टूट तो नहीं गया, मैं खुद को मतलब आई मीन्स आई एनालाइज्ड माई सेल्फ दैट क्या मिस्टेक कर रहा था, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक्स आई वाज डूइंग अर्लियर, and I will not repeat that mistake in my future life in further. So like this we have to analyze and don't hesitate. So this slide is all about check of things on your list, and I maintain a journal of my life, what I the daily activity I do in my life. On every day I maintain one diary, and I didn't share that diary with anyone, even if my wife doesn't know that about that diary. I keep journal, and sometimes when you feel unmotivated while you are in progress to achieve your goal, sometimes you will feel unmotivated. I also I mean some I also get the same thinking on my mind that नहीं यार ये algo trading नहीं करते, पैसा पैसा बहुत होता हूँ मैं, मतलब sometimes I feel like that, पैसा पैसा बहुत करता हूँ, मैनुअली ट्रेड करेंगे जितना बन रहा है बनने दो. But at that time I also think that how Elon Musk and Jay brothers making money while they are sleeping. Like Elon Musk crushed Jeff Bezos, the Amazon owner. He was the richest person of the world. Elon Musk, Tesla owner. In the uh, in the year end, imagine that in 2020 everyone was in lockdown. We are at our home, but that guy is doing something. For that reason, at the end of the year, he was the richest person of the world. So why can't I? I ask myself every night. I ask myself that मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता? वो सोते समय पैसा बना रहे हैं. You know Warren Buffett, the biggest investor in the world. His company name is Berkshire Hathaway, the most expensive stock share in the world. I think 3 lakh USD one share cost of Warren Buffett company. If you will convert that money into INR, it is like 2 crore 50 lakhs, 55 lakhs. Means दो Mercedes कार आ जाएंगे GLS class का, with that only one share. How they are making money? So means if they will means, sometimes I feel unmotivated, like that क्या करूं यार, इतना क्यों सोचता हूं मैं, ऐसा क्यों कर रहा हूं, ऐसा मतलब थोड़ा खुद को रेस्ट देना चाहिए. No, I don't means when I do work I get satisfaction. When I didn't do work in my office I didn't get satisfaction. So don't feel unmotivated while you are in progress to achieve that goal. Don't feel unmotivated. Keep positivity in your mind, and keep a journal that what are your goals, like short term or long term, maybe, and what the effort you are putting into it, and the effort you are putting into it is in the right approach, it is on the right path. Note down it on daily basis. Means after 6 months or in 1 year you will get to know that uh, that yes, you are tracking your uh, activities, what you are putting into it, the effort you are putting into it to achieve that goal. And definitely I can bet on you that you will definitely one day you will get that, you can accomplish your goal and you will get that success. And this one is the last slide, I think. So from now onwards we will not give any excuses, so no more excuses. Think yeah, here one let us say I'm too old, like on Wednesday I think uh, Joe Biden, taken oath as President of United States at the age of 78. If he thinks that I am too old, I can't be the President of United States. If he thinks like that, can he will be the Prime President of that country? He can't. He can't. So now onwards, we will not give any more excuses to anyone, and we will find new opportunities each and every day. If you'll find, then it is well and good. Do it with positive attitude, positive energy. So that's all from my side.
So before I say anything, I would like the audience to speak about you. Then yes, Mr. Gaurav.
So first of all, congratulations to Mr. Ranjan. He explained it very well. It was an enchanting performance, and he actually told about his last performance. But his last performance was also like so good. I enjoyed that too. I would like to say it was not like you were lacking somewhere or like you were making some mistakes. It happens when we actually conduct a workshop and we speak